Today in history. 10th December 2017. Bright and hopeful, Baghdad, Iraq. Dear Diary, today was a really important day in my country, Iraq. Prime Minister Haider al-Abadi announced that we have finally defeated ISIL. ISIL was a bad group that took over our towns and made people very scared. Everyone was cheering in the streets because we felt safe again. It's a big deal that we call this event the defeat of ISIL in Iraq. ISIL started causing trouble a few years ago. They took over cities and made some very strict rules. People could not go outside much, and it was hard for kids like me to play freely. My parents always worried about what could happen next. We hoped every day that our soldiers and friends would help us get our homes back. Every day, we would hear stories on the news. The news was about the fighting and how our brave soldiers were working to get our towns back. I remember when some soldiers came to our neighborhood. They talked to my dad and said they were getting closer to bringing peace back to our lives. It was a hard time, but we kept believing we could win. Today, after the announcement, I saw so many happy people in the streets. Families came together with huge smiles. Some were even waving the Iraqi flag proudly. It was special to see our soldiers being celebrated. I heard stories about a brave soldier from my town who helped rescue families. Everyone in our community admired him so much for his courage. With the announcement, everyone said that it was time to rebuild our city. People started making plans for how to make things better than before. I felt excited because I wanted to help out too. I even talked to my friends about planting trees. We wanted to fix playgrounds so we could have fun again. I hope we can all help to make our city beautiful. Even though today was exciting, I felt a bit worried too. I heard some older people say we must stay watchful. They said there could still be places where ISIL could hide. My mom told me to enjoy this moment. She also explained how important it is to keep our eyes open just in case. I want to believe that our country will stay safe.